morning, Vlogmas day 15. Oh my goodness. Okay, so as you can see, we've still got snow and I made it out of the gate, even though we were pretty late. Oh, that rhymed. But yeah, it is really tough getting to the nursery on these slippery, icy mornings. But we got there. So now I'm gonna have some breakfast, cup of tea, have a nice shower, exciting stuff, and I will see you later. Look, the moon's still out. Such a beautiful day this morning. Look at this. I'm actually walking in the road because it's obviously the least slippery bit. But yeah, absolutely stunning today. So Stephen took all the Christmas cards to work with him. So I've used the front of a Christmas card from last year to write a message to our lovely people at Farewell, who are about to collect this bag of empty jars and containers and fill them in their amazing milk van called Charlie. And they're just wonderful. So we've got mango and pasta and laundry, detergent and everything coming. So I'll try and catch them. If I do, I'll take you with me. Okay, Farewell have been. Yay! Oh, look at all those goodies. Glorious evening light. And Stephen, are you finished for your schools this year? Yay! A slidey dud. He's still got some private lessons this evening and tomorrow evening, but apart from that, he's done for the year. Woo! And yeah, check out this light. Wowzers.
We're the gingerbread.
I'll catch you and I'll gobble you up.
Oh, no. Is that again? Oh, what?
You can't touch me. I'm not supposed to do that.
Bebo. That looks like a lot of fun. Yeah, I had some problems getting up this morning. Right, nurse, are you having a listen to the patient's heartbeat?
But you need to take him out of bed.
Oh, okay. Come on, Mr. Xoxox. There you go. Ow! He bit me! You're the only one that he doesn't seem to mind. He's a very cheeky cat. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. It's very musical, isn't it? What should we do, nurse?
Must to imagine.
Oh, okay.
I know his face.
Very good.
Now he got imagine in patient's bed while he's having some pills.
Very good.
Bite.
Oh!
He bit me.
Mr. Xoxox is going too far.
Bite.
Did he have his pill though? Did he swallow it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And he bite it.
Well, at least he swallowed it. That's okay. No biting of us though, Mr. Xoxox. We're only trying to help, you know. What? Mr. Xoxox! Back to bed with you. He's a cheeky cat.
This.
While I make macaroni and cheese, B is baking. What are you baking?
A cake for my birthday.
Oh, brilliant. Nice and early.
Mom,
Yeah. What?
I got to put fatty in.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Oh.
This looks like a lovely cake.
Can you close this for me,
Of course. What word is missing?
please? And put it back on the shelf for me, please.
Yeah, of course, darling. Oh, lift that up. That's it. Now push it down. Oh, strong. Yeah, well done, B. Now that one's open and ready to go. So you get on with your cake, and I'm going to add a couple of knobs of butter to my macaroni cheese. I'm using a mix, by the way, for anyone that thinks this is very weird. It's actually really good. I mean, normally I'd make it myself, but then I started using... Whoa, don't worry. Started using...
Yeah, I will do that.
Okay, thank you, darling. Started using this, and it's actually really yummy, Scrummy. So, hey, I don't mind not cooking. B, how's your cake going?
Good.
We've just added a spoonful of water, and it's all looking absolutely
Now I need
delicious.
some milk.
Do you?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes, I do.
Christmas cake.
Yeah.
So luckily I have some old cinnamon that was expired at the beginning of the year. So this is also in the Christmas cake that Bee's making. That looks so yummy, Bee. Are you going to eat this?
Yeah. But I need a little bit of something to make it sweet.
Well, do a lot of stirring. Lots of stirring. That will
That's
help.
not my stirring spoon.
Okay, good. You can use this, Bee.
This is my mixing spoon and my stirring.
Okay, well you do a big stir and see what it's like.
Okay. It smells like poop.
Thank you, Bee. Just hoovering up after herself, bless her. Well done, darling, all done. Bee, you've made the most beautiful village. Oh no, your baby fell out of the wheelchair. Oh no. And supper is ready, guys. Mac and cheese. Muck and see up. Okay, go on then. Sunbathing. Oh.
Sunbathing. Not sunbathing,
Oh.
sandbathing.
I'm sand bathing.
And your legs.
Okay, wait.
Are we ready for advent calendar?
Oh, sorry. We were doing sunbathing.
Oh, fair enough, fair enough.
Go on then, my
Right,
darling.
what's the day today?
Do you know what day it is?
Clue.
You need a clue. Well, you need a picture.
15.
Mummy, do you want to draw it for her?
15.
15.
15 is a 1 and a 5. There you go. 15. Oh, you are so good at that. Right,
Is there a
come
clue?
on to me, there's a clue.
Are you looking to see if you can find it?
You wait.
Oh.
Be gone. Pass me the clue, my love. Come here, you little monkey. Okay, you ready? Hello, Dogger. My darling for you, my lovely chatterbox. It's time to look in the place that has your socks.
Ooh.
And take a look under, beneath, where you'll find a set of shiny new teeth.
Oh no!
I've left the stool there for you, baby.
Where do you find your socks?
No, no, oh, bless you.
It's good. It's good that
That's
she's
a
looking.
yeah, that's a very good idea.
Is that where your socks are?
Hi.
Why don't you climb on the stool and have a look?
That's it, carry on. Climb up there.
But first I need to go up.
So have a look under, beneath.
Whoa!
Is there something underneath?
Underneath, that maybe have a look amongst the socks.
In the socks. Is there something hiding in these socks? Where the socks are?
Mate, you've got two
Not in the
lots of
socks, but- Oh, in here. Have a look in here. No. Oh, what's that down there? What? What's that? Go and give it to Mummy and see if she can make it work.
I'll show you how it works.
Do you want help climbing down? Well done.
You ready?
I want to see the
This is
look on her
something I
face.
grew up with. Did you have one of these, Daddy?
No, I've never had one of those.
Okay, you ready? I thought you'd like
That's
that.
it.
He likes to be on a flat surface, doesn't he?
Do you want to wind it up?
Oh, you do it.
That's it. Wind it up lots and lots.
All in the same direction.
I don't want to
Do you want me to? Okay, there you go. Are
You ready, B?
I never had chatting teeth.
You're chattering teeth. You're so right, B.
It's teeth just like my teeth.
Especially the gold one.
They chatter.
Should we do it together? Wind it up, maybe, and we'll get B and the teeth to chatter together.
Okay.
And then do them sideways. Oh,
Okay.
it's quite funny. You ready? One.
Go. Oh my God. With your, holding your teeth, do you want to say happy 15th of December?
Happy 15th happy 15th of the coral reef of December, coral reef of December, coral reef.
Hey everyone, so while Stephen reads a lovely Christmas story to B, I've got my advent calendar, number 15. Oh, I'm sure I've made the same noise every single door I've opened. Oh. Oh yes, always very handy indeed. A needle threader. I'm not very good with my THs, you might have noticed. I've always struggled with that. I've got a lisp of that. But yeah, needle threader. Yay! Always need that. I am so bad at threading needles. So bad. So yeah, and you kind of like got a handy push out. You can wear it around your neck if you want to. I mean, I think that could really catch on. That's so cool. That's brilliant. I love it. So yeah, nice one. Okay, right, end of day 15. 10 days till the big day, guys. 10 days. I didn't get things that I was meant to get done today. Like, I didn't finish Bee's stocking. So I don't know when I'm going to do that, to be honest. But it will definitely get done. It will probably be me on Christmas Eve at midnight, knowing me. But it will get done. So yeah. Oh gosh, I can't believe it. Stephen's finished for holidays. B finishes tomorrow. We're gonna go and do she's got nursery Christmas songs tomorrow, which I'm definitely gonna cry. Oh my gosh. It's like the first thing that we've been to where B's performed. So that is gonna be epic. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. So I'll take you along for the ride. If I can film, I will. I might not be able to, so we could maybe just a solo version at home for you instead. But anyway, guys, I hope you're all well. Lots and lots of loves. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.
Pudding. The postman comes to the house more often than usual. He brings cards wishing them all a Merry Christmas, and sometimes parcels too. How exciting. These have to be hidden away until Christmas Day comes. Lucy and Tom are making their own Christmas cards with pictures of robins and Christmas trees on them. What would you put on your card, Danny?
A chester cat and a Christmas